Welcome back. Facebook has fallen nearly 10% over the past month. Options traders, though, are expecting at least a near-term bounce. John is at the telestrator with the unusual activity. Is that Josh Brown?
That's Pete Najarian.
That's Josh Najarian.
Pete?
How are you, Judge?
Oh, man. I'm just going to say Wally Pipp and Lou Gehrig.
There you go.
You
Scott,
never know. Sorry, Pete.
This stock was $161 on the sell-off Monday when everybody said, Josh, they were going to come after all these big tech stocks, in particular Facebook and Google. It has rebounded over $11 since then. You see it almost pushing to $12 rally to 173. They came in. Weekly calls have been just extraordinary this week. Next week, they're just as big. Take a look at this. Almost 10,000 of these calls. That's a million share equivalent. They're buying next week at the 180 strike, June 180s, with just a week to go, Josh. You got to like that.
These are sellers next week, or it breaks through.
Yep. I think it's going to push towards or through 180 next week, and the calls were relatively cheap. I got another one that's slightly longer term, Scott. Take a look at JD. This one might be because Mnuchin is going over ahead of the actual G20. There's a meeting of G20 finance ministers. Mnuchin's over there. He's going to be meeting with some Chinese counterparts. Maybe this is a bet on that because JD is seeing some fast money flows. Again, about 7,000 of those calls right around the July 27 call strike. Like that activity, I bought both of these, Josh.
So I do not have a ponytail or formal options training, but let me weigh in. I think you're right about the idea that they're going to use JD as a proxy for getting upside in Chinese stocks if there is some sort of diplomatic announcement or breakthrough. Sure. I think that's exactly right. And I watch K-Web and all the Chinese internet names. They are treating them as a tariff play. Whether they should or shouldn't is not the point.
All right, good stuff. Come on back this way.